Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going slightly off topic to discuss something fascinating, AI and computers, as you probably guessed from the title. So, buckle up, because this is going to be a fun ride. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I know I've been a bit late with uploads. Life happens, right? But I promise to be more consistent moving forward. The good news is, I no longer have to worry about the high costs of AI services, thanks to my go-to, MLG. Seriously, some of those AI companies out there act like they're selling golden algorithms. No thanks, I'm sticking with my guy, MLG here. Now, to make this video more engaging and easier to follow, I've divided it into 4 parts. Introduction, that's what you're watching right now. Background, we'll explore the history of AI. Spoiler alert, it involves more than just robots taking over the world.
No.
Impact, we'll delve into how AI has affected our daily lives. Hint, it's not just about smart refrigerators telling you you're out of milk.
He needs some milk.
Useful tools, I'll share links to AI powered websites and software you can try out. Because who doesn't love some cool free tools? So, grab some snacks, sit back, and let's get started. Alright, let's rewind the clock. The history of AI is like a thrilling sci-fi movie, minus the evil robots, for now. Picture this, it's the 1950s, and a bunch of brilliant scientists are sitting around, probably with slide rules and really thick glasses, thinking, hey, what if machines could think? And boom, the field of AI was born. Alan Turing, the legendary codebreaker, proposed the Turing test, basically asking if a machine can trick you into thinking it's human. Fast forward a few decades, and we've got self-driving cars, AI that can beat humans at chess, and even AI that can create art. Yep, it's a long way from Hello World. Now, let's talk about how AI has impacted our daily lives. If you've ever asked Siri or Alexa a question, you've used AI. If Netflix has ever recommended the perfect show for you to binge watch at 3 AM, that's AI too. And let's not forget those creepy targeted ads. You talk about needing new shoes, and suddenly your feed is full of sneaker ads. Coincidence? I think not. But it's not just about convenience. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, making our cities smarter, and even helping us combat climate change. It's like having a really smart sidekick that doesn't need sleep. But let's be real, AI isn't perfect. For the grand finale, some useful AI tools that you can try out. First up, we've got DALL-E, an AI that can generate images from text. Want a picture of a cat riding a skateboard? DALL-E's got you covered. Then there's ChatGPT, my personal favorite, which can help you with everything from writing scripts to generating memes. Speaking of memes, ever tried Meme Droid? It uses AI to suggest the funniest captions for your images. Because who doesn't love a good laugh? And if you're into music, check out Ava, an AI composer that creates beautiful, original pieces. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of AI, from its humble beginnings to its incredible impact on our lives today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about AI. Is it the future, or are we just one step away from Skynet? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep being awesome.